Welcome to our step-by-step tutorial on customizing your email signature in Microsoft Word. First, open your email signature template in MS Word. To add your business logo or a professional photo, right-click the image placeholder and select Change Picture. Then, from a file, choose your image, and it will automatically resize to fit. Next, let's insert the call to action banner. Follow the same steps as before to replace the placeholder with your desired image. Now, update your name, title, and contact details by clicking the text you want to change and typing in your information. For efficiency, I've prepared the text for easy copy-pasting into the template. For custom links, right-click the current email or website text, select Hyperlink, then edit Hyperlink. Here, modify the text to display and insert your URL. Click OK to save your changes, making it simple for contacts to connect with you. Moving on to social icons, right-click the placeholder, select Change Picture, and choose the appropriate image. Remember, active social icons are crucial. Right-click an icon, select Hyperlink, and paste your profile's URL. This transforms every email into a networking opportunity. To finalize, right-click any image you wish to link, choose Hyperlink, input the URL in the address field, and click OK. Congratulations! Your personalized email signature is now complete. The final step is integrating it into your email application, showcasing your professional brand with every email you send.